Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing a recipe of a pineapple dessert. In a saucepan, add 2 cups of water. Boil the water. Pour the contents of the pineapple jelly into a bowl. This box of jelly is of 90 grams. Press the jelly crystals with a spoon. Add the hot boiling water. Stir continuously till the jelly crystals dissolve. Keep the jelly aside to cool completely. In another bowl, add 2/3 cup of whipping cream. Beat the whipping cream. Add 3/4 cup of fresh cream. Now add 4 tablespoons of condensed milk. Mix these ingredients using a spatula. Now pour the cooled pineapple jelly which is already set. Beat it. In between, remember to stop beating and scrape the sides of the bowl using a spatula. Add 2 and 3/4 tablespoons of sugar. If you want this dessert to be more sweeter, then you may add more sugar as per your requirement. After adding sugar, continue beating. Add 1/4 teaspoon of pineapple essence. Continue beating it. If you like my videos, then do click on the like button. Pour this dessert into a serving dish. Cover the bowl with a plastic cling wrap and refrigerate it overnight. Then remove the plastic cling wrap. You can decorate this dessert with pineapple slices. I'm using fresh pineapple slices and cherries. You can also use canned pineapple slices to decorate. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching.